Yes, Your Lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item number 5. Lordship, here earlier the petitioner case was forwarded to the Manpower Rationalization Committee, Your Lordship, for its Manpower Rationalization Committee for its recommendation, Lordship. So this week, Your Lordship, the MRC has returned back to the department seeking for more clarifications. So department will be putting up the clarification in a short while. So Lordship, kindly grant 4 weeks time, Your Lordship.
Who is for the petitioner?
Lordship, I'm for the petition.
Okay. So, okay, Miss. So, okay. Direct counsel for the respondent. You are representing all.
No, 2 to 7 and 9.
2 to 7 and 9.
Yes.
Submits that.
Earlier, the matter was pending before the Manpower Rationalization Committee for its recommendation.
Earlier, the matter was pending before the Manpower Rationalization
Committee
Committee
for its recommendation.
for its recommendation.
Yes, and recently the MRC has returned back seeking for more clarification. To
Recently, the
MRC sought clarification from the department,
the
Lordship,
MRC sought a clarification from the department.
and they have returned back the file. So the department will be giving its clarification in a
The
short while.
MRC sought a clarification from the department.
Yes, Lordship.
And then,
So the department will be giving its recommendation,
Okay.
clarification.
okay. So the department is to give a clarification to the MRC. And then,
So
for which
time may be granted, Your
For-
Lordship.
for which she needs some, for which she prays for some time. 4 weeks time. Stuff, no? And you have anything to
No,
submit?
Lordship, I don't have any objection.
Okay. The prayer made by the learned counsel for the respondent has not been objected to by the learned counsel for the petitioner. So accordingly, the prayer is allowed. List this matter after 4 weeks. Okay.
But Shukla.
Item number 15,
Yes.
on behalf of Mr. Z. Anguli, CGSC. Yes. See, 3 weeks time to file his affidavit reply.
Report also awaited, I think, here in respect of
15, item 15.
Hmm?
Item 15,
15.
on behalf of Z. Anguli, CGSC.
And who is for the petitioner? Have you informed?
No,
Who will adjourn? Let the matter come then.
actually, Z. Anguli is in court number 1, so he has requested me to adjourn the case for 3 weeks because he has not received any instructions so far.
Okay. Mr. Yangarwati, appearing on behalf of Z. Angami.
Z. Anguli,
Z.
Z. Anguli,
Okay.
CGSC.
Lanet. Okay, Lanet. CGSC submits that the respondent is yet to receive instruction
Yes,
to and to file counter affidavit. And prays for
3 weeks time.
3 weeks time. Stop. The prayer is allowed. List this matter after 3 weeks. Okay.
Marshal.
Please, Lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention hearing item number 31 and 32. Lordship, my senior is indisposed today. I pray that this matter come up after 1 week, Lordship.
Is prayed for by Miss
And her prayer.
Learned Counsel for the petitioner. List this matter after 1 week. Okay, Mr. Angami Lanet Counsel appears on behalf of the state. This is, I think, with 32 also.
31 and 32, Lordship.
Yes, yes, okay. The prayer is allowed. List this matter after
1 week,
a
Lordship.
week. Okay.
Obliged, Lordship.
May I please, my lord? Lordship, I beg to mention item number 24. 24, Lordship. Lordship, may it be listed next week, Lordship. Next week.
Okay.
If it is convenient for the court, may on Thursday, Lordship, 16/5.
All not fix the date.
Okay,
Yeah,
Lordship,
because there is some difficulties
Lordship.
because whole court fixed the date and then in a day, sometime it comes fixed item. Today also more than 5, 6.
Lordship.
Mr. Angami, Lana Council for, sorry, Lana PP. Praise for listings, praise for adjournment
Lordship,
of the case and to be listed after a week start. Criminal division. Okay, Mr.
Madam,
Your name is also there, no?
no, I'm appearing on
Appearing
behalf
on behalf of
of Mr. Sindhya.
Mr. Sindhyanga, Lana Council for the petitioner. There is no objection. There is no objection, stop the prayer, accordingly the prayer is allowed, list this matter after a week, okay.
Lordship, item number 10,
Hmm.
on behalf of my colleague, MS Inaholi, Lordship.
Counter not filed.
Lordship,
Yeah,
she is in bereavement today, so may it be listed next week.
so this is for filing of counter affidavit,
Lordship, it appears some developments are there, so she wants to.
okay. You haven't,
No, check.
okay, Mr.
I'm sorry.
M. Jamil, Lana Council for the petitioner is present, staff. You are appearing on behalf of,
MS Inaholi.
okay, Mr. Angami, appearing on behalf of. She is for respondent number, state respondent,
That's the Lordship.
okay, praise for listing this matter after,
Next week, Lordship.
okay. Next week, the prayer is allowed. List this matter after a week, okay.
Bless you, Lordship. May please, your Lordship.
Hmm.
Lordship, I pick the mention item number 22, your Lordship. Lordship, here, I may be allowed to withdraw the petition, your Lordship. Lordship, here, the petitioner is no more, your Lordship. If
Petitioner is,
no more, your Lordship. If pass away,
okay,
if I may be allowed to withdraw the petition.
Mr. Jamil. So you are for respondent.
I'm for the respondent number 1286.
Land counsel for the petitioner submits that the petitioner is no more since deceased. And in view of that, he has an instruction to withdraw this writ petition.
Lordship.
Okay, stop, Mr.
And no comment.
Okay, land counsel for the respondent. You are for respondent number
1286.
1, 2, and 6 is present. So he has no objection to the prayer made by the land counsel for the petitioner staff. In view of the above, this writ petition is dismissed on being withdrawn. Okay,
Lordship, I also pick the mention item number 34, your Lordship.
Hmm?
34, hearing for hearing, Lordship. Lordship, here I pray that the matter be posted on that 27, your Lordship, 27/5/2024, your Lordship.
Hmm?
Matter to be listed on 27, your Lordship.
Why 27?
Lordship, the leading counsel is having, he is in this post of your Lordship. He's an outside counsel, your Lordship.
Okay. You have any objection? Okay. Ms. Mere is appearing on behalf of state. Okay. So 27,
Lordship,
okay. Mr. M. Jamir, land
I am sorry,
counsel
your Lordship.
petitioner. Praise for listing this matter on 27.
Lordship,
Stop. The land counsel for the respondents. Mr.
2 to 5.
Okay.
No.
Chapo. Okay. Okay, Chapo, land counsel for the respondent number 2 to 5. And Ms. Meres first, land counsel appearing on behalf of the state. And Mr. Paklu Chapo, for respondent number 2 to 5. Has are also present, staff. As prayed, comma, list this matter on 27.
Lordship.
Okay.
Lordship.
Yeah, this is Lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item number 6, Lordship.
6.
6 on behalf of Vision Mom, Lordship. If choose, time may be granted to me to file my counter affidavit, Lordship.
So, who is for the petitioner?
Lordship, I am for the petition.
Okay. Mr. Swenson, land counsel for the petitioner is present. You are for?
Private respondent, Lordship.
Okay. Miss her name, huh? Appearing on behalf of,
Vision Mommy Lordship.
okay, VG Momo, Learned Counsel, Learned Counsel for appearing, Learned Counsel, Government Advocate. Praise for
3 weeks Lordship.
3 weeks time to file counter affidavit. Have you filed?
No, Lordship.
Okay. You are also praying.
Lordship.
Okay, and Mr. Huh?
Viposa.
Learned Counsel for respondent number. Miss Senso appearing on behalf of Senso and Mr. Senso for the respondent number. Praise for 3 weeks time to file counter affidavit. The prayer is allowed. This is matter after 3 weeks. Okay.
Lordship, I have similar prayer for item number 7 Lordship on behalf.
7 also noted file. Yes.
Yes.
So they are praying for 3 weeks. Praying for
3 weeks
3
Lordship.
weeks. Okay, similar order. Huh? Your name, good name.
I'm appearing on behalf of Mr. Sindiamar for the petitioner.
Okay. Appear on behalf of Mr. Sen. Okay. Appear on behalf of present on behalf of Mr. Sentian Garland Council for the appellant and her name. You are for?
And for the respondent number 8,
Are you also praying? Have you filed?
I also filed my affidavit.
Okay.
I'm praying for fixed date as an official council. On
Okay.
7th of June if possible.
And her miss,
And
so and so appear on behalf of praise for 3 weeks time to file counter affidavit. Mr.
Borough.
N. Barwa.
I filed my counter.
Okay, land count now appear on behalf of
IOC.
7.
IOC and submit that he has filed. However, he prays for. However, he's praised for. You want a fixed date?
Yes,
When?
7th of June.
Listing this matter on 7th of June, to which the Lana Council for the petitioner has no objection. List is as prayed, comma, list this matter on 7th June. Okay.
Lordship, I also like to mention item number 20 and 21 Lordship on behalf of Viveka Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, I'm appearing for respondent number 8, CPI. This matter has been dragging on for a long period of time. So let this be a last adjournment and maybe list it as a fixed item.
There's some prayer for the petitioner.
You are for the petitioner.
Madam.
Mr. Inti Long Chair, Land Council for the petitioner is present. And you are for
CPI, respondent number 8.
respondent number 8.
Yes.
Okay. You are for respondent. Santiago, you are also present.
One.
Okay, Mr. Santiago, Land Council for the respondent number 1 is present. And Mr. and Miss.
State respondents Lordship.
State respondent is respondent number.
2, 3,
Younger one is for 1, huh?
5,
2, 3, 4, 3.
7.
Okay. Miss Swenson appear on behalf of respondent number 2, 3, 6, and 7. And Mr. Wabang for Lanet
Special counsel.
Special Counsel for CBI. For respondent number 8, staff. Miss,
Yes.
praise, you have filed your counter. Have you filed your counter?
My lord, from my part, I have not filed, but I'll give an oral submission.
Oral submission,
Yes.
and you?
My affidavit may not be necessary.
Not necessary, okay,
State have already.
okay. Mr. Yangabati submits that this affidavit may not be necessary, and Mr. Mandang Wabang submits that. So both, Yangabati and Mandang Wabang submits that their affidavit may not be necessary. However, Miss so-and-so prays for 3 weeks, further 3 weeks,
Lordship. Next week Lordship, on 16
next week.
Lordship.
On 16 means
Thursday.
as a fixed matter.
Yes,
Yes,
my
my
lord. Lordship, this is a 2016 case.
Okay,
So I pray that there will be no adjournment. Yes.
okay.
No further adjournment.
So you will be filing
Yes,
Counter.
Already filed.
already filed, okay, okay. Is prayed for by, then that was not required, then I thought that we are praying for filing counter affidavit.
No.
Okay. Okay, is prayed for by the Lana councils for the parties, list this matter on 16 for hearing, okay,
As fixed item, ma'am.
as a fixed item, okay.
Much obliged.
Yes,
Your Lordship. Lordship, I would like to mention hearing item number 30 and 33. I pray that these two matters may come up very quick.
okay. So 30, you are in 30,
Yes, madam.
you are in 33.
Lordship, I'm for the respondent in 33.
Are they connected method is 30 and 33? No. Okay. Miss Catherine Chenlo, you are? Your good name?
My name is Christine.
KK Shenlo. Land Council for the petitioner is present. Mr. Moore Chen. Land Senior Government Advocate. Praise for. When do you want?
Lordship, after you wait for the matter,
After?
after you wait,
Okay.
after 1 week.
Praise for. Listing this matter after a week. Stop. The prayer is allowed. List this matter after a week. And in 33 also. 33 name be changed, huh?
Yes.
Well, there was Jamil, huh? Name be changed or the same after? This also after a week?
After you wait.
After a week, okay.
Yeah, please, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 16. In instruction to appear on behalf of the respondent. So Lordship may kindly allow 1 week time to file my Vakalanama
For
for the respondent,
respondent number
1 and 2.
1 and 2,
Yes, Lordship.
and probably the other respondent, the notice return with the comment that address not correct.
Lordship, here,
Address could not be located.
Lordship, here I'm appearing on behalf of private church, Your Lordship. Appearing on behalf of private church, counsel for the petitioner, Your Lordship.
Okay, so probably he need to take step,
Lordship.
press step. What is your submission?
Your Lordship, 1 week time may be
1 week
allowed.
time.
Yes,
No, but
to file my Vakalanama.
the other respondent, they could not locate. It will take more time, I think. They need to take fresh step.
Therefore, 3 weeks, Lordship.
You inform him. Inform him.
Lordship.
He need to take fresh steps upon the other respondent.
Lordship.
It has returned. Mr. Jamil, appear on behalf of Mr.
Lordship, I am solo, Your Lordship.
Okay, then counsel for the petitioner. Start. Mr.
Tushitam Jim.
Would appear on behalf of respondent number 1 and 2
Yes, Lordship. Lordship,
and praise for some time to find.
Lordship, if he is
Cover.
appearing for respondent 1 to Your Lordship, notice may be deemed complete, Your Lordship.
Hmm?
If he is appearing for respondent number 1 into Your Lordship, notice may be deemed complete, Your Lordship. Since there's only 2 respondents, Your Lordship.
Okay. Only 2 respondents.
Yes, Your Lordship.
So address was not found, but you are appearing. 16.
Lordship, I'm appearing only for 1. Respondent 1, Lordship.
No, yes, 1, 2. Notice upon respondent number 2 has returned and served.
Lordship.
2. Okay. Mr. So-and-so would appear on behalf of the respondent number 1, huh? Okay. The office note dated 7/5/2024 reflect that the notice upon the respondent number 2 returned with a postal remark that the addressee cannot be located from the address RTS. Stuff. In view of the above, the Lana Council for the petitioner shall take fresh steps upon the respondent number 2 in their correct address within a week.
Lordship.
Okay.
Marshal.
By a registered post with ID, huh? Okay.
May I please your lordship?
Least after 3 weeks. He says 3 weeks.
Lordship, I beg to mention item 8. I'm for the respondent number 4 and 5. Item 8, lordship.
Item
8.
8.
I'm for the respondent number 4 and 5. Lordship,
Counter not file. Huh?
4 and 5, lordship.
You are for
Respondent number 4 and 5,
4 and 5.
lordship. Lordship, I may be granted 3 weeks time to file my affidavit in reply, lordship.
And who else is appearing?
For the state, Your Lordship. We have
For the-
already filed.
File. And you are also appearing?
Lordship, I'm preparing for respondent number 6, 7, and 8.
6, 7, and 8. You have already filed?
Yes, Lordship.
Okay. Miss
And solo.
Madam Counsel for the petitioner is present. Stop. Still responding. Miss Mere. Madam Counsel, Lanet appear on behalf of the state respondent. State is respondent number 1, 2,
And 3.
and 3. Okay. Land government advocate, huh? Here on behalf of respondent number 1, 2, and 3. Stop. And Mr.
Vic was that, lordship.
For respondent number 6, 7, and 8.
4 and 5, lordship.
4 and 5.
Lordship.
Sorry. Who is for 6, 7, and 8?
Lordship. Bertate.
6, 7, and 8. And you are praying for and Mr. So his name
Vic was that.
who appearing on behalf of respondent number 4 and 5 prays for
3 weeks time.
further 3 weeks time to file
Affidavit.
affidavit. Stop. The prayer is allowed. List is matter after 3 weeks.
Much
Okay.
obliged.
May I please, Your Lordship? I beg to mention item number 9.
Here also reply not yet filed.
Yes, Your Lordship. Kindly grant us 3 weeks time to file a reply.
Lordship, I'm appearing for respondent 3.
3.
Yes, Lord.
Okay. Miss Land Counsel for the petitioner prays for further how much time?
3 weeks, Your Lordship.
Further 3 weeks time to file affidavit in reply
Your Lordship, there's an interim.
to the affidavit filed by the respondent staff. Mr.
Sentinel for R3.
For?
R3, respondent number 3.
Okay. Appear on behalf of the respondent staff. List is matter after 3 weeks. Stop. The interim order passed earlier shall continue till the next date. Okay.
Much obliged.
May I please, Lordship?
Yes.
Lordship, I beg to mention item 29. Lordship, here I'm led by my senior Mr. P. Paul. He's indisposed, so the matter can come about 2 weeks, Lordship. 29. I'm for the petitioner.
2-9.
29, Lordship,
Okay.
after 2 weeks.
Who is, okay, Mr. Posega for Telangana Council, appearing on behalf of Mr. PB,
P. Paul, it's Lordship,
for Telangana Council for the
petitioner.
petitioner, submitted.
My senior is indisposed.
Okay. Okay, Mr. Posega for Telangana advocate, submits as the leading counsel, Mr. PB Paul, is indisposed, and pray for listing this matter after
3 weeks, Lordship, sure.
3 weeks. Start. The prayer is allowed. List this matter after 3 weeks.
Lordship, it's an interim, interim continue, Lordship.
Stop. The interim order passed earlier said continue till the next stage. Okay.
Highly obliged, Lordship.
Please, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 18 and 19.
Yes.
Lordship, it is a prayer that will come up on the 20th of May, 20 of May,
20?
of May.
Okay. Miss,
I'm for the appellant.
Counsel for the appellant is present, and Mr.
Sidirum Susan.
Counsel for the respondent number.
So
Yes,
Solo.
Okay, so appearing on behalf of the respondent the sole respondent, prays for listing this matter after
On
On
20
20,
May 20.
May 20. So we need to know on May 20, how many fixed items are there? So if it is fixed, we'll try
Lordship, this
to
is a Bartlett matter.
part hard. We'll release from
No,
part
no.
hard. It's difficult, it appears, because earlier also it was listed before the other judge. And then since it was part hard matter, it had to be postponed. And then today also you are seeking for adjournment. So we'll not keep it as a part hard, but then if you are seeking for the date we'll give, will be there. I'll be there. 28.
20.
20. Okay. Praise for the Land Council for the so and so, huh? After his, huh? You are also agreed with that date.
Yes, Lordship.
Okay. On the consent of the parties, list this matter after 20. However, this matter is released from the part hard. Okay.
If I may please, Your Lordship. I beg to mention item number 27. Your Lordship, I am for the petitioner and then may this matter be listed for 14 May if possible. Next Tuesday,
14
May, Your Lordship.
May. We'll say next week.
Yes,
Not
next
as a
week.
fixed item.
Sure, Lordship.
Mr.
I am appearing on behalf of my senior TB chairman,
Okay, appearing on your good name.
Peter Serton, Your Lordship.
Okay, appearing on behalf of Mr. TV Jamilana, counsel for the petitioner, prays for listing this matter after a week.
Yeah, 14 May if possible.
14 May. 14 is next week only.
Yeah, next week only.
Okay, next week. Huh?
Mm.
Prayer is allowed. List this matter after a week. Okay.
I beg to mention item number 35 and 36 as well.
Okay.
May this matter be listed on June 4th if possible.
20
June 4th, Your Lordship.
June
4th.
4.
Your Lordship, previously I was engaged as the counsel for respondent 5. Lordship, now the CGC will be taken over. So my name and my colleagues' name may be deleted from the list of advocates for the respondent 5. In 35, Lordship, the Honorable Court has already deleted, but in 36, no, has been passed. So in item 36,
In 35 also you are appearing.
I was appearing.
You was appearing.
Yeah, and the Honorable Court was pleased to delete my name.
Okay.
I'm placing the
Mr.
same submission.
Appearing on behalf of TB
Appearing on
chairman.
behalf of Mr. TV Jamilana, counsel for the petitioner, prays for listing this matter in the first week of the June. Staff, the prayer is allowed. List the matter in the first week of June. Okay. Staff, Mr. Osega Forte, who earlier appeared on behalf of respondent number 5, submits that since the matter since the respondent has engaged.
Yes, they have engaged the CGAC.
Sorry. CGSA. So you were not for the CGSA?
No, we are not for CGAC. We are for the UPSC only.
Okay. Since the CGSA is appearing on behalf of the respondent, his name may be deleted from the cause list.
Lordship, along with my colleague's name.
Along with his name, along with what is the name?
Dr. Ankit Todi,
Dr. Ankit Todi,
Osega Forte, and Medovero. Lordship.
Medovero may be deleted from the cause title. Stop. The
45 and 36.
okay. The registry shall do the needful. Okay. The registry shall do the needful.
Lordship, may I fix? I'm appearing for the respondents.
Okay, Mr.
The date may be fixed, Lordship.
Then prior to that, Mr. Yangarbati appear on behalf of CGSC. Okay, thereafter since it will come. Okay.
Fix the date.
June 1st.
First week of June. That's great. Okay.
Yes, Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 23, Lordship,
Yes.
on behalf of MD Imsong, Lordship. If this matter can come after 2 weeks, Lordship.
3.
2 weeks,
2 weeks.
Lordship.
Okay, Miss. You are for the petitioner.
Lordship,
Okay. Your name?
Gombini appearing on behalf of my senior Joshua Shiki.
Appearing on behalf of senior Mr. Joseph Seki, Learned Counsel for the petitioner staff. Miss, you are appearing on behalf of?
MD Song.
And Tim Song, Learned
Additional AG Lordship.
Learned Additional AG. Praise for
2 weeks Lordship.
listing this matter after 2 weeks. The prayer is allowed. List this matter after 2 weeks. Okay.
Obliged Lordship. May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes.
My lord, I beg to mention item number 4. This morning only, we have received affidavit in opposition filed by respondent 1 and 2. Therefore, I pray for some time to go through the affidavit, and if it necessary, we will be filing our reply.
Okay. Miss.
Lordship, I'm for responding number 1 and 2.
Okay.
Lordship,
Her name, Learned Counsel for appearing on behalf of. Your name is also there?
Your Lordship, appearing on behalf of my senior Joshua Shiki.
Okay. Appearing on behalf of Joseph Seki. Submits that they have just received the affidavit in opposition filed by the respondent number 1 and 2. And pray for some time to go through it and to file affidavit in reply if required. Start. Mr.
Dimatoshi,
Dimatoshi, Learned Counsel for appear on behalf of
responding number 1 and 2.
respondent number 1 and 2. Okay, as prayed, list this matter after
2 weeks.
2 weeks. Okay.
Obliged, my lord.
Yes.
For motion, item number 1.
Yes. May I plead, Your Lordship? Your Lordship, this instant petition has been filed under section 482 of CRPC, praying for posting of sumoto FIR dated 23/10/2023, and accordingly consequent judicial proceedings in GR case number 701 of 2023. Your Honor, the brief facts of this matter is that Traffic Control Chumuk Dima, they have received one information regarding an accident had occurred on 22/10/2023 between Patkai Bridge and Kuki Dolong, between the vehicle, one Wagoner and one LP truck. Charge is filed? Yes, Your Honor. So you pray before the trial court? Yes, Your Honor. I have stated hearing on framing during framing of charge. Yes, Your Honor. I have already prayed. I have already prayed, and I have mentioned it in paragraph 8 also, Your Honor. Okay. You since paragraph 8. Yes, Your Honor. Let us see what have you stated there. Your Honor, when this case was fixed on 9/4/2024. It was already fixed? Yes. So since the trial court has said. Any order passed then? Yes, since the offenses are not compoundable. So trial court had verbally advised me to approach. If you are praying, if you are saying that you are innocent. No, not innocent, Your Honor. Actually, I'm saying that there is a compromise between the victim and the accused. Okay. So here in this case, doesn't have. Yes. So in this case, petition number 1 is the accused in the GR case, and petition number 2 and 3, they are the victims. So between us, we have already settled the matter, and I have also paid the compensation for the medical treatment of the 2 victims. Then why don't you go for plea bargaining then before the court? Yes, Your Honor. If we go, since the Honorable Trial Court below said that the offenses are non-compoundable, so there is no scope. So they advise us to. The punishment are not more. Yes, Your Honor. So plea could go for plea bargaining since you are ready for payment. No, I have already paid. Already paid. Yes, already then paid. Since the parties are ready, then could have gone for plea bargaining. No, that is what, Your Honor, since the matter has already been settled between the parties. So the trial court has said that doesn't have jurisdiction to dispose of this case. So accordingly, trial court has verbally advised to approach High Court regarding the matter. Okay, only the state has been made. So this is a joint petition? Yes, Your Honor. Petitioner number 2 and 3, they are the victims. Yes, state now. So it appears that the punishment is not more. 1 month, 3 months, 6 months.
I leave it to your lordship. Because it's under for.
Whether the record is required to be called for.
Lordship, that your lordship will be required to.
Okay.
So your
Notice
lordship,
may go, your lordship, and LCR, a scanned copy of the LCR may be go.
Okay. Mr.
And your lordship, during that pendency of this case, interim order may be passed, staying the.
So that means you have placed your argument before the trial court at the time of framing of charge.
Yes.
So they are not ready.
No. Actually, trial court said that trial court doesn't have jurisdiction since the offences are not compoundable. That is why.
So
Otherwise, trial court
then
was.
charge already framed.
Charge has not been framed. Since I had mentioned in my.
But it was hard only. It was hard only. after hearing.
Yes.
Why it was not framed then.
Yes, Your Honor. Since the trial court, when advised me to approach High Court, I said that I had to consult with my client. So accordingly, for the time being, the court has adjourned the matter, and now this case is fixed on 13 of this month for framing of charges.
Then could have allowed to frame charge against the accused.
No, that is what, Your Honor. When we apprised the trial court below, that they have already settled the matter between them. So.
Has it been reflected in the order sheet?
In the order only, it has been reflected that I have paid for, that is page type copy, page 26, Your Honor. Since on that day of framing of charge, I had, when I apprised the court regarding this settlement between the parties, court has just simply gave some time.
Okay. Now you could have allowed to frame charge against the accused if he is not innocent. Then,
actually, Your Honor,
since we have come into
I'm
agreement.
Actually, I'm not saying that I'm not guilty. I have admitted that, and that is why I have also paid the compensation of ₹5 lakhs for their medical treatment and for repairing of the damaged vehicle.
Then
so now
if
the
you are not
parties.
innocent, you go to jail then.
Now, since Your Honor, when this victim.
Now, how can you purchase the offense you have already committed?
That is what, Your Honor, under section 482, this honorable court has jurisdiction if the parties are not willing to pursue their matter.
Now you see, then what would be the role of the police and the court then?
That is what, Your Honor, we have approached this honorable court, and the offences are also not very serious in nature. So if this honorable court allows, even the victims, they are not ready to pursue this matter anymore. So it's just a futile exercise.
Another matter, if it is a compoundable case, but then it's non-compoundable case, you are pleading guilty, then you should be punished.
No, actually, charge has not been framed.
Extra, and then payment already paid. That is also indicating that you are guilty.
That is what, Your Honor, if till now charge has not been framed, since we asked some time to for whether the client is ready to approach this honorable court or not. So accordingly, on the last date, we sought some time. So client is ready, and that is how we have approached this honorable court.
See, it's not compoundable, and they are pleading guilty.
Yes.
No. Actually, Your Honor, till now charge has not been framed. So what I'm saying, if this court doesn't allow to cause this matter, then definitely if the trial continues, it will be a futile exercise because the concerned parties, they are not ready to pursue this matter anymore. And under section 482, this honorable court has jurisdiction to cause if the parties are willing.
They are bound to participate. They are bound to appear before the court. Otherwise, you see, the warrant will be issued against them. They have to come before the court. Anyway, okay, hard, Mr.
P. Surin.
P.
Surin.
Surin, counsel for the petitioner. Also had Miss Mary Lanet, public prosecutor, Nagaland staff. Para. This is an application under section filed under section 482 of the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973 for quashing of suo motu FIR. Dated. Where is the case number?
23-10-23. Paragraph 2.
Okay. No. You are praying, what is your prayer?
My prayer is
FIR.
to cause
FIR
the
already
tomorrow
charged it,
FIR
said,
and as well as the
Sumo
consequent
FIR,
proceedings
the
in
criminal
GR case
proceeding.
number.
Okay. For quashing of the criminal proceeding in where is your GR case number 701/2023 arising out of Chumukadima police station case number 0077/2023 under section 279, 336, 338 IPC, read with section 184 of the Motor Vehicle Act 1988. Stop. Issue notice returnable by 4 weeks.
Yes, Your Honor.
3 weeks, 4 weeks, 3 weeks, 3 weeks. Stop. Since Ms. Mere Lara PP accepted notice on behalf of the state, no formal notice need be issued to her, issued to this respondent staff. May issue notice and thereafter call for records, call for LCR. Stop. Issue notice returnable by 3 weeks. Call for LCR. Okay, stop. Next, last one. List is matter after 3 weeks.
Your Honor,
The call for LCR means scan copy of LCR. Scan copy.
Your Honor, this matter is fixed on 13th of this month, so the proceedings in GR case number may be stayed, Your Honor.
30.
Yes, 13th of this month.
1-3.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay.
Lordship, granting of interim will amount to interference with Lordship at this stage.
Yes.
Lordship interim may not be granted to your Lordship.
Your Lordship, since this matter is pending now, so here the matter is pending, and if the proceedings are not stayed, then it does not make any sense. Because unless and until this matter is disposed, how can there be trial can go on?
No, just since you have admitted
Yes.
you are pleading guilty, you face the trial in the meantime. Okay, no problem. Let them frame charge against you. So thereafter, since you have come into agreement, and then since you are submitting that it will be a futile exercise, we'll examine, and in the meantime, if required, it will be passed only. We allow them to frame charge against the accused because these punishment are not more. Go ahead with the trial. Got me?
Yes, Your Honor.
Because staying with the proceeding of the court a little bit difficult. Okay.
For motion, item numbers 2 and 3.
May it please your lordship.
Yes.
My lord, I file this affidavit of notice on dated 10/4/2024
This is
against the sole respondent.
IA.
Yes, but
It
my lord,
seems there are so many IAs.
my lord,
1,
yes,
2, 3, 4,
Yes,
5
four.
IA in one
yes, fine.
petition.
But before coming to that, I want to appraise the court that notice has been served upon the respondent, the sole respondent,
In what?
through a paper publication.
In which case?
In civil review 12 of 2023.
There is also, I think, the condonation petition is also there.
Exactly.
Then how the civil revision notice was issued in civil revision? Condonation delay condoned.
Not yet.
Then
Not
how
yet.
the notice has gone?
My lord, the opposite parties are not coming to the court. So
Okay.
for that, there is no option but to serve a
In the
notice
condonation petition,
in all the case.
in all
In
the
the
case.
civil revision, along with the condonation,
Okay.
along with the other IAs.
Okay,
Yes. So for
But,
that,
just a minute.
since the, yes,
Civil revision can be entertained or notice can be issued in civil revision only after the condonation petition is allowed.
Yes.
Which one is condonation petition?
Condonation petition is 113.
113.
Yes.
First, I think we'll have to see that. 113,
Yes.
isn't it?
Yes.
Okay.
But
Have to
my lord,
deal with that.
before coming to that,
Okay.
I have served copies to the opposite parties.
Hmm.
The opposite parties are not complying with the notice that has been served to them. So with the permission of this honorable court, I have served notice through a paper publication on dated 2nd April 2024. And for that, since it has already been published, I filed an affidavit dated 10/4/2024 before the honorable court. So this is the the paper of publication. So
My
the
only
opposite
question
party,
is, the paper publication is in the condonation petition application.
that is to do with the condonation and the main civil revision
Okay,
12 of 2023.
okay.
Yes.
So whether any other pass that the
So-
notice complete?
Yes. In this aspect, there is no other pass.
Not yet.
Yes.
You have filed affidavit to that effect that you have taken.
Yes.
Where,
Yes.
where? In condonation. It has to be. First, we have.
It has been appraised
condonation.
before this honorable court on dated this thing, on dated 18/4/24. So on dated 18/4/24,
18,
the court has not taken into the
18,
18/4/2024. So on 18/2024, the court was inclined that I should file this thing.
in which case? So in the condonation petition 18, there is no order on 18/4. In which case, 18/4 is,
My lord, it
you
should
have
be,
5 IA,
yeah, 35 of 2024.
35.
Yes.
35 is for what?
35, 36, 37,
35 is
38.
for what?
35 is for impleading.
Impleading whom?
Impleading the deputy commissioner, the additional deputy commissioner, and the ESC concerned. But the court was of the view that I should have, instead of filing for an IA, this honorable court has viewed that I should file a writ petition. So the writ petition has already been filed.
Okay,
Yes, and the writ petition is registered as writ petition 61 of 2024.
has it been listed today?
That has not been listed, but it has already been filed. It was heard.
No, okay.
Yes, it was heard. And the opposite parties are to reply this thing.
So in writ petition, they have received the notice.
That we have to check it out. But before that,
Hmm.
I want the court to be in the know that this affidavit of notice has been filed. So this is in connection with the this is in connection with the civil revision. Now, since I filed the writ petition, after this honorable court, after going through my affidavit, which I filed it on 10/4/2024, the court may pass an order to this effect. Thereafter, after that, I'll be withdrawing my IA 35 and 37. Then my 36 and 38 will be heard.
35 is for?
35 is for impleadment. Because on the advice of this honorable court, I filed the writ.
Okay, 35 is for impleadment.
Impleadment.
And then
And
12 is criminal revision.
And 37 is for, IA 37 is for invoking the inherent power of the court. Invoking the inherent power of the court.
separately you have filed.
Yes, I have filed IA 35, 36, 37, 38.
36 is for what? So
30
in the prayer or in the revision petition or in the petition, you have not invoking the power of revision power. What power?
inherent power of the court.
Inherent power.
Yes.
Is it necessary to file separate for invoking
Uh,
the power of the court?
in connection with Civil Revision 12 of 2023. In connection with Civil Revision 12 of
It
2023.
was not mentioned in that civil revision.
I filed for the civil revision, and in connection with the civil revision, this IA came up. Because there was a process after filing this IA, after filing this civil revision, the deputy commissioner, the additional commissioner, and the EAC, they were going ahead with the progress of this particular case, where I am aggrieved by the order of the 2 DB court. So since I'm aggrieved by the order of the 2 DB court, I filed for the civil revision. And in the civil revision, I have prayed that the case be tried de novo. Because I'm saying that the DB court order is not proper. It's not accordance with the law. So for that, I filed this civil revision. Now, when I filed this civil revision, there was a delay. So for that matter, I filed for condemnation also. Then pending the hearing of this civil revision and the condonation, some development came up because of the ADC, because of the DC, ADC, and the EAC. For that, I was compelled to file this 4 IAs. Now, when I filed this IA 35, 36, and 35, 36, 37, 38, this honorable court was of the opinion that I should have filed a writ petition. So I
What
already,
is the relief sought for in this civil revision and the writ petition? What is the difference in the relief sought for? In civil revision as well as in the
in the
writ petition?
civil,
What is this relief
in
sought?
the civil
Yeah.
revision,
Hmm.
I filed to quash and set aside the order of the DB and try the case afresh. That is in my civil revision.
Okay. And in the writ petition?
In the writ petition, since the deputy commissioner, the additional deputy commissioner, and the EAC, besides knowing the fact that there is a sub judice case pending before the Honorable High Court, and after getting the notice, they are still pursuing with the matter. So for that, I filed this IA 35, 36, 37, 38. So once this affidavit of notice, this order has been passed. After this, I can withdraw my IA 35 and IA 37 because
37 is for?
37 is for invoking the inherent power of the court.
And what is for 38?
38 is for injunction. And 36 is for amendment of the plain.
Now you see this entire
Yes.
IA 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yes.
5 IA and the civil revision
Yes.
can be heard only after the delay in filing is condoned. So now what I'm saying is we have
Yes.
to take up the condonation petition first.
Yes. Fine.
Hmm.
Yes.
So which one is condonation?
35.
35.
Condonation.
No.
Condonation
IA
is 113.
113. Let us see 113.
Yes.
So who is the respondent here?
Respondent is one Mr.
Okay.
Chakuve.
He is the private respondent,
Yes, he is the sole respondent.
sole respondent.
Yes,
So you have taken steps.
yes,
He is not coming
yes.
forward. Whether he received,
Uh,
has he received?
we have said it to
Service
people
notice to the
also, but
conference, so sir, return report awaited. First step for service. Service report on awaited, list matter after 3 weeks. So here in at the last office note, it says, as per orders, so and so, service report on respondent is awaited, list matter after 3 weeks. However, on going through the records, the filing register, there is no record of indication of any fresh steps taken for service of notice. Yes, So is this the last office note? The last office note says that you have not taken fresh steps, although you pray for allowing you to take fresh steps. So that is last order. So you said that you have published notice. Notice published in which case? Notice was published in newspaper in which case?
in Civil Revision 12 of 2023.
No. Again, I'm saying,
Yes,
because unless the condonation petition is allowed, how the civil revision can be taken up?
my lord.
Yes. So notice should have been issued in the
Notice has been,
condonation petition first.
notice has been issued
Hmm.
in all this thing in CR 12 of 2023, along with 113 of 2023. So
In the
in
newspaper,
either of,
where do I find
yes,
newspaper publication? Where do I find?
2nd April.
Okay, just a minute.
If the respondent does not respond, does not come to contest in CR 12
No,
of
no.
2023,
After
it is as
receipt,
good as not contesting in,
no, after receipt of notice, if he failed to contest,
Yes.
then only. So let us see whether he received or not. But in condonation petition, you have not taken fresh steps. As per the office note, huh? Whether this condonation also mentioned, let us see in the paper publication. If the condonation petition.
my lord, condonation is a part and parcel of the CR 12.
Hmm?
Condonation is part and parcel of the CR 12. So once the CR 12 has been published, I think so it is the condonation also is into that. I have not come across any rules that there is a separate separate rule to publish in this thing. I also like that. I've been following the
No, what I'm
procedure.
saying
Yes.
is only that the condonation is to be taken out first.
Oh, that's fine with me.
You have to be first allowed. The delay is to be condoned first.
Yeah. That is fine with me.
In which case this paper publication was allowed? Which IA?
Might not in one particular this thing I have since this came up with CR12.
No, no.
I've
In
pre-
which case you are allowed to take steps?
Oh, in IA 113. IA 113 read with this thing. 12 of this thing, 2023.
113.
Yes. At no point of time the opposite party came before the court. So I've got no choice than to give notice through paper. Speed post was allowed to me. The speed post was served. It has been received by them. Yet no reply. So having no other option, the last option was this. So it was done accordingly.
Okay, so this is in okay. Okay. IA 113, huh? In Civil Revision 12. IA 113 only, please. But the publication is in 12, Civil Revision 12. No?
Yes.
In Civil Revision 12, 2023. With Civil Revision 12, 2023, huh? With, huh? This is item. Okay, few, no? Okay. Mr. Izo, and counsel for the applicant staff. Huh? The land counsel for the petitioner file affidavit showing causing of service upon the respondent, the sole respondent. By way of substitute mode by paper publication in two dailies, that is daily, that is Nagaland Post, and one is
Tapi.
within bracket English, and CAPI is pronounced
Tapi, Tapi,
Chapi
yes.
within bracket local on 2/4/2024. The annexing the original newspaper publication. And appear with the same stuff. No one appears on behalf of the respondent. Stuff. Stuff. The record also reveals that the record reveals that earlier also the applicant has taken steps upon the respondent, but the sole respondent refused to accept the same, due to which because of which reason the applicant has caused service of notice upon the sole respondent by a substitute mode by paper publication stuff para in view of the have I said no one appear on behalf of respondent? Okay, so in view of the above, the notice upon the respondent is treated to have been completed stuff. To have been completed, okay. Stuff, para, This is an application under Section 5 of the Indian Limitation Act 1963, praying for condonation of delay of 96 days in filing the connected civil revision. Stop. Where have you stated the reason for
Para 6.
ground for delay?
Para
6.
Yeah, para 6, page 6.
Let us see.
I read out.
Yes, sir.
Let a matter being a complex one, where the facts of the case has to be highlighted properly, and as such further discussion was required. The parties were called for on 2 occasions in the first week of August and on 23rd August, as the case could not be discussed telephonically. There on 2 occasions meeting was cancelled. That was with the monsoon and the road condition was bad and not pliable by small cars. And further, the village Kuchukono is 32 kilometers away from the nearest town pack. This led to the delay. Further, the preparation of the draft took about 3 weeks and hence the present case.
Okay.
Yes.
The ground for delay in filing the connected revision petition has been stated in paragraph 6 of the said application, 6 of the application. Start. However, since the respondent failed to appear despite of receipt of the notice through paper publication, it is presumed that the respondent has no objection to the condonation of delay. Of 96 delay, stop. In view of the above, the delay of 96 days in filing the connected appeal is hereby condoned. In view of the above, the applicant has shown sufficient cause for not filing the revision petition within a stipulated time. Stop. Accordingly, the delay of 96 days in filing revision petition is hereby condoned. Stop. With the above, this miscellaneous application stands allowed and disposed of. Okay, now this is 113.
Yes.
Let one by one, This
Yes,
113 is now disposed.
Yes.
Now what next?
My lord,
Which one?
IA 35 and 37.
35.
Yeah, 35 and 37.
So here then.
Yes, 35 and 37, I'm withdrawing.
35 you are withdrawing.
Yes, 35 and 37.
Okay. So this is this you are withdrawing because you have already filed writ petition.
Yes.
Okay, stop. Next in IA 35, Hard Mr. Joe, Land Council for the petitioner. Stop. The Land Council for the petitioner submitted in view of the other person, not in view of the other person, since
No.
he has already filed writ petition.
Yes.
As per the whether the court has directed you to file writ petition. It was no direction, I think.
Or there was no
Was it a
direction.
direction?
There was no direction.
Okay, since he was.
It was from this court that the court has the opinion that I should file a writ petition.
Okay.
So basing on
Since
that,
he has already filed a writ petition
yeah,
in connection with the present case.
yes,
He wants to withdraw this IA.
IA 35.
IA, stop, the prayer is allowed. The IA stands dismissed on being withdrawn. Okay.
Yeah.
That is IA 35 withdrawn. And next,
IA 36.
IA 36.
Yes, IA 36 is for amendment of application. In my para 2, in para 2 of the main suit, CR 12, para 2.
No, but IA 36, you want to withdraw?
No. 35 and 37 I withdrawn. 36 I'm talking
37
about.
also making the income.
35 and 37 has been withdrawn. I
Okay,
withdraw.
37 also. In 37 also.
Yes.
So same.
Yes.
Withdrawn,
Now coming to 36.
Now you have left with
36 and 38.
36
and 38.
38 and the civil division
Yes.
12.
Yes.
Okay, so now in,
So now in 36, my prayer is to amend.
just a minute, now we'll have to deal with the 12 first, because you are being, you're allowed. So in 12, we'll have to issue notice.
My lord.
Well, no order has been passed as yet in civil revision.
Exactly,
So
exactly.
now you'll have to issue notice here. So since notice already you have.
Yes, yes.
Okay, so now in.
My lord, if we could dispose this IA, then.
Which one?
IA 36. Because IA 36 also is a part and parcel of this.
No, unless 12 comes, how 36 will come?
But this only an IA.
No, IA in the civil revision only.
Yes.
The civil revision not yet admitted. Not in the
Yeah,
picture,
yeah.
not yet in the picture.
Right. I got it.
Okay, so in civil revision 12, huh? So in view, I have no idea, but then this. Which one is your impugn order?
My impugn order,
Is seeking revision to which order? Although we have allowed
yeah,
a condone, but then we do not know the civil revision applies or not.
order dated 28 November
Page?
2022. That's page 12. Page 12.
12 is prayer only.
Yeah. Page 20. Page 20 and
This is what?
this is the order of the DB court.
Where is the translated copy?
The translated copy is in page 23.
So this was. This is what? This is
order. Order of the DB court at Kuza, and the other impugn order is in page 32.
There is two impugn order.
Yes, yes. I want this to be cautious set aside.
How two impugn order came into in one case?
No, there is two Dobashi court. So
Separately?
yes.
One case.
Yeah, in one case.
How?
It was the case was straight in the Dobashi's court at Kuza. Now I have applied. I've appealed before
Yeah,
the.
who lodged complaint? Who lodged complaint? This let us take up this page 23.
Yes.
This at DB EAC office Khuja.
Kuza.
So let us see.
So
the
here,
Khuja first.
yes.
It was decided on which date?
This was decided on dated 23
November.
Yes.
Okay, this was this in this case, this is the decision of the case between you and the respondent.
The respondent.
Okay, who lodged the complaint?
The respondent.
Okay.
The
So
respondent.
you are agreed by this order.
Yes.
So, okay.
Yes.
This order settled.
This order was settled in favor of the respondent.
Okay, then what?
Yes.
Which one is the other one?
The other one is in page 32. Page 32.
32.
Yes.
32 is on 7th March 2023.
17 March, yes. So here.
Just a minute.
Yes.
Your condonation petition was for which case? 23 November or 17 March 23?
17 March, it should be.
And what about this? 23 November 2022. The one case was settled.
That was in
decided
connection.
on 23 November. For that, not only 96, I think, days.
My lord, it should be counted on this. It should be counted on this.
This was not challenged on time.
I was challenging this one. And for that, the condonation was counted on this.
Some difficulties. Still then, let us see.
Yes.
17 March.
Yes.
So what is the decision here?
Here,
Who lodged complaint here in 17 March?
here, I was the one who lodged the complaint against the order of the EAC Kuza.
Against the
Against the
23
previous order.
against 23 November 2000,
Yeah, exactly.
was it a appeal?
Yes, it was an appeal. It was an appeal before the DC's court, the deputy commissioner.
Appeal.
Yes,
So that means 17 March is the appellate court's order.
my lord.
No,
the
no, just
DB the DB.
you were aggrieved
Yes.
by 23 November 2022.
Yes,
You file appeal before the
DC,
DC.
the deputy commissioner.
Okay.
Now
So,
the
so the
deputy
17 March is the 17 March is the order disposing your appeal.
Yes,
Okay, so this is
Yes.
appeal order.
my lord.
So you are filing this revision against the appeal order
Yes,
passed in the appeal
yes,
before the DC.
yes. So I have appealed the order of the DB court Khuza before the deputy commissioner. Now the deputy commissioner, instead of taking up the matter, he has endorsed this particular case again to the DB court attack. So there is a procedural lapse.
So that means you mean to say that DC has endorsed to whom?
The DB court attack.
So the DB court fact has no jurisdiction
Exactly.
according to you.
Yes.
Okay.
For that, I'm saying, I'm praying that to quash and set aside the order of the DB court and to try the matter afresh, de novo trial.
Now here you then whom you have impleaded here? Let us see.
My lord, beg your pardon.
No. So it's only the respondent.
Yes.
Okay. Mr. Zok. Line counsel for the petitioner. Para. Then if this is revision, okay, without jurisdiction. Okay. This is civil revision. Section 32. You have come under 32. Let us see the 32 of the Administration of Justice. Administration of Justice.
Administration of justice.
This is civil revision, huh? While under section 32 within bracket new of the while under section 32 within bracket new of the rules for administration of justice and police in Nagaland Act 1984, read with section 115 and 151 of the Code of Civil Procedure 1908 against the impugned order dated where is the impugned order?
My lord, page 32. Original is in page 30. The DB court hack, they have make a blunder.
No, just a minute.
Yeah.
You see your page 2 of your revision petition. You have mentioned what date is this? What is the impugn order? The impugn order is 11/4.
11/4.
Which one is this?
My lord, you see in page 30,
You-
annexure H.
Page?
No, please go page 30.
30.
Yeah, annexure H. Here, they have signed it on dated 17 March 2023.
Yes.
Yeah, my lord, come back to page 31.
Yes.
The DB code, they have signed it on dated 11/4/2023.
11/4/2023.
Yes. So that is the blunder of the DB code.
11/4.
Yes. Whereas in page
23.
yes, in page 31, means civil case number so and so dated 17 March 2023.
Okay.
Now
So-
signing on the order is on dated 11/4/2023.
Okay.
So this is the thing. So I have to follow this.
Where is the
11/4/2023.
translation copy? 32. Okay.
Translated copy is in page 32.
Impugn order dated 17/3/2023, signed on 11/4/2023,
Yes.
passed by the head DB's court, Heck,
Yes.
Nagaland, in Miss MISC, Miss Stroke Civil Stroke Case number 105/2023. 105/2023. Where do we find the case number? Where from you have quoted this case number? Okay. Correct. 105/2023. So there is only one impugn order here in this case. Stop. Para. Issue notice. Returnable by 4 weeks. Stop. Since you have already issued notice
Yes.
by publishing,
Yes.
but then 4 weeks, This will tweet later on that you have already served.
Yes.
Because here notice not yet been issued actually. So you have probably wrongly mentioned in that. So because this was not yet been admitted, no notice was issued as yet in this civil revision petition. So we'll say, but then later on we'll refer that notice already. Okay. Okay, then issue notice returnable by 4 weeks. Stop. Here take fresh steps here in civil revision.
Fresh step.
Fresh step. One more steps here. You have to fulfill here also.
No problem. I'll have to file Chetalabana in that case. Yeah.
So
then failing on that,
petitioner shall take steps upon
matter may be
the
heard.
respondent by a registered post with ID within a week from today. Stop. List this matter after 4 weeks.
Okay.
So let us cross one by one. Okay, just a minute. Yes. Okay, and then the implement is?
My lord.
Not implement. 38 is for?
No.
36 is for?
36 is for the thing, amendment of the petition.
In the amendment also notice will be issued.
My lord, I don't think it's required because this paper publication already came out. And here I have only a word to amend, that's all. Under, just the word under has not been given in the other thing.
Okay, just a minute.
So,
just a minute. And then in 12, issue notice, after issue notice, call for a code. LCR. That will be there. So amendment of what?
Amendment of the word under. Just the word under has not been added into in the plaint, in the main CR 12 of 2023. Just the word under has not been this thing inserted.
Okay.
So I just wanted that word under to be
And in
added.
which paragraph?
It's in para 2 of the main, but here it should be in para 4. In the IA it should be para 4. Para 4, page 6.
Para 4.
Yeah.
Okay.
Para 4, page 6. So just
which line you want to?
Just before para 5.
Yes.
That the respondent.
Hmm.
From that the respondent further herein late so and so pleaded that their land be returned to them, that is Hutupu under. I've just added the word under, that's all.
Okay. So in which para? Para 2.
Yeah, para 2.
Para 2, which line?
Para 2 of the civil revision, para 2.
Para 2.
Yes.
Which line?
The same line, just inserting the word under, that's all.
Same line.
Yes, same line.
Okay. That the respondent father hearing, we did that. The land we return to them, that is.
Addition of that word, the single word under.
Okay. So this only under word.
Yes, just the word under to be included in para 2, that's all. My lord, I've already explained it in my synopsis. I have put the word under in that particular line.
Okay.
But in the para 2, the word under was not there.
Okay.
So just the word
36,
under is to be
36,
included, that's all.
36. Mr. Joe, the counsel for the applicant staff. Para, this is an application for amendment of the civil revision petition number 12, 2023 under order 6 rule 17 of the civil procedure code, seeking amendment of the civil revision at para 2 by inserting the word by word within inverted comma under inverted comma close in between the word in between Hututu,
Hutupu,
Hutupu,
Hutupu, under.
Within bracket, Hekai or Hetika, bracket close. So as to complete the sentence is Hututu under within bracket Hekai or Hetika, bracket close. That should also be within inverted comma. Since the amendment is with regards to the insertion of the article in between the word. The conjunction, huh? This is what conjunction, huh?
I miss out the word under, that's all.
Under, okay.
Yes.
Okay, correction of sentence. Okay,
Yes.
since the prayer for amendment is quoting aloud. The petitioner shall while amended this page.
Yeah, I think so. This thing I should suffice.
Hmm?
My eyes should suffice if the order is passed. Because while hearing, I will rely on the order that's been passed to.
Okay.
Yeah.
But then I is to be disposed of.
Yeah. It can be disposed of.
Okay, so okay. Mhm. Okay. Mhm. So the page need not be changed or by fire.
My lord, if it's reflected in the order sheet,
Is that okay.
then I think so they should suffice.
Okay.
Because at times of hearing, I rely on the order of the court.
Hmm.
Yes.
What is the last insertion of the last sentence is the prayer is allowed, huh? Accordingly, the said sentence shall be read as that the respondent father herein late Vaswi Vesvu pleaded that their lane be returned to them, that is Hutupu under within bracket Hakei or Hatika bracket close. Having been considered the same land was given back during 1996. Okay.
Yeah.
Stop. Huh? Okay, with the above, this IA stands allowed and disposed of. Okay. So then I think here, okay, you can use this order
Yes.
in the IA. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So then next is
My lord, next is the prayer for injunction.
so that we'll have to
Yeah.
38.
Yes. My lord,
Here notice to be issued. Since there is also okay, here you are not going to implement the DC and all.
no,
Okay. Then again in
this can
38,
also be
38.
heard. Yes.
Add Mr. Izo, non-counsel for the applicant. Para. This is an application under Order 39 of the Code of Civil Procedure 1908, praying for temporary injunction against respondent number 1 till the disposal of the civil revision staff. Para, issue notice returnable by 4 weeks.
My lord, here in this IA, there is an urgency. Because, my lord, I'll come to this thing. Coming to my para 4, this page 6.
Temporary injunction again, just a minute,
Yes.
against the respondent number 1. What is injunction against?
Injunction against the respondent, the sole respondent.
No. Why sole respondent? How?
Yeah, my lord, if you come.
Not against the order.
No, see, if you come to para 4, page 6. Para 4, page 6, I read out. That the petitioner state that the respondent 1 has damaged the trees, clearing a huge chunk of forest, which is the declared common property of the village council. Resolution by dated 14/4/2016, enclosed photograph of the destruction and clearing of the forest. So, my lord, it's in my this thing.
It issue notice, huh?
Yeah, annexure
The issue
plus
notice,
page.
the issue notice returnable by 4 weeks. The interim prayer shall be considered on the next date. You take steps. Yeah, okay, issue notice, huh? The petitioner shall take steps upon the respondent by a register post with AD within a week from today. List this matter after 4 weeks. The interim prayer shall be considered after hearing the parties on the next date. So we'll pass order on that day.
From the supplementary cost list for motion, item number 37.
Yes.
Yes, please, Your Lordship.
What is this case about?
The SNIA is filed to bring on record the last check, which was bounced on 3rd April 2024.
Check bounced.
Yes, my lord.
Hmm.
My lord, on the last date, this Honorable Court have instructed me to file an application.
In the main case.
Yes, my lord.
With the main case.
To bring out the list of dates of the check bonds.
Main case. This is IA. So this is linked with item 13 and 14.
Lordship. Yes, Lordship. Lordship of instruction.
Yes.
Instructions to appear for the petitioner in the link case item 13 and 14. And 13 and 14 in the main. Also, I'm for the petitioner. I have instruction to appear for the petitioner in item 14.
14.
For the criminal
Okay.
revision.
Okay. You are appearing for the first time?
Lordship.
Earlier, some other advocate appeared.
Yes, Lordship.
In the 14th. So in the.
I'm yet to file my
So in
also.
in IA, you are respondent then?
Lordship. Respondent.
Wait, just a minute. Huh? In the main case, huh? That is on we'll take up item 13 and 14 also together. Huh? So in 14. Item 14. Just a minute. Huh? Mr. You are Mr.
Oseko.
No.
Pakinitso, my lord.
Okay,
Pakinitso, my lord.
your name is there? No, no, no.
Yes, my
Not
lord.
in there.
But in IA, my name is reflected. But in IA6, my name is reflected. IA6.
IA6,
Yes.
13, 14. No, IA 13 is 9 and IA 15. Where is IA 6? Oh, 6 is also there.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Just a minute. Huh? So what about this other advocate who appeared earlier in the criminal revision 3?
Lordship, they have sent a notice to the petitioner.
Okay,
And,
so they
they have-
no longer will be
No,
appearing on.
Lordship.
Okay.
Lordship, Lordship,
Okay.
they have placed the
Just a
notice.
minute. Then criminal item 14,
Such.
criminal revision. It has not been reflected till that. I think their intention to withdraw from the from the case.
Yes, Lordship, but my lord clients.
Order dated 18 March 2024.
18 March in which IA?
In the
In
main
IA?
order.
Huh?
In the main order.
In the main.
Yeah, in the main order.
Main 18.
18 March 2024. They have paid to withdraw the Valadama.
Okay.
And
18 March 2024.
which one?
No, 18 March is not there. No, this is
18 March 2024. They have paid, and then prayer is reflected in the order dated 26 March 2024.
in IA.
26 March 2024.
In the main case.
Yeah, in the main order.
In the main is
IA6.
IA6.
oh, IA6.
Yes.
No, in the main is criminal revision only.
Yeah, in the
IA6. What did you say? 26 March.
This one.
Yes, having just one. Okay, so there was a direction for deletion of the Shukla. It was permitted also
This one.
to withdraw their Wakalat Nama, except Mr. Shukla. Shukla will be there. Where is Shukla's name reflected? No, there is no Shukla. Wazukam. Ojukam's name, which has been reflected in the IA, is not in the main case. Have you seen? Ojukam, sorry.
Yes.
He is not in the main case.
Yes, already withdrawn.
Okay, so but then some other name is there.
What name was wrongly?
Aim Chen, Tosi Zamir. Okay. Had Mr. Posega Forte, who appears on behalf of the criminal revision petitioner. You're appearing for the first time.
Lordship.
Okay.
I'm yet to find my powers.
Okay. Not hard, huh? Then Mr. Posega Forte, Land Council. Ms. Posega Forte put appears on behalf of on behalf of the petitioner. Learned counsel how would appear on behalf of the petitioner. You alone and submitted. He has filed his.
I'm yet to file my forward.
Number today only. Today.
I'll be filing today, Lordship.
You will sign.
Course of the day.
Okay. This who submits that he is filing Wakalat Nama today itself. Stop. He further submits that the earlier advocate who appeared on behalf of the revision petitioner has already withdrawn. So their name be?
Their name will strike off, Lordship.
Okay. Withdrawn. And this court also by an order dated 26/3/2024 in IA criminal number 6/2024 has allowed permitted to withdraw their Wakalatnama except one Mr. Sukla. Stop. Mr. Parking Richabo, Learned Counsel for the respondent. You are for respondent number in the main case?
Sole respondent.
Okay, sole respondent is also private staff. So what is your prayer, Mr. Poseco?
Lordship, here the petition, the revision is the intention and the motive is to pay the amount which both the respondent and the petitioner has come to the amicable settlement. So Lordship, kindly.
Thereafter only you were to pay, but then you haven't paid, and then they have received.
We have not paid yet.
No, they say that check bounced.
Yes.
2 check bounced, 2.
5 in total.
5 in total.
5 check bounced.
Lordship, at the time of issuing the check, then the company was supposed to get some pending bills from the government, but due to the election code of conduct, the bills were not cleared, and that is why we could not pay the respondent.
Have you informed the respondent by way of writing, because you have undertaken this?
Yes, we have undertaken that.
For the
we will
court
pay.
only.
Yes,
court has
for the
recorded
court,
in the order.
Yes, Lordship. But that has not been made clear, though verbally we have submitted that there was a pending mail of 9 crores from the government, but in that view, that contemplating that we will receive the money, we have issued a check. Lordship, the intention of the petitioner is very clear that we will pay the money at any cost.
But when? Now so, you see they have come by
Lordship,
way of this.
Today also, we are ready to pay at least 5 to 10 lakhs if the council or if the respondent is willing.
They are waiting.
Yes, Lordship. So Lordship may be gracious enough to grant them some time so that we can pay them pending money, Lordship.
Now they are coming. Probably have you filed the 38 of this one NI Act against the check bounce? Have you filed complaint? Have you issued notice?
We are about to file.
About to file.
Yes, ma'am.
See, they are in a process. That process.
Lordship, exactly.
And then you have already undertaken before this court also.
Yes, Lordship.
Court has also by passing order.
Yes, Lordship.
That it has to be taken as you have taken undertaken.
Yes, Lordship. But Lordship, the nature of the petition is very clear that we will be paying the money. Lordship may be gracious enough to grant us some time, Lordship. So that in the meantime we will pay.
Just for sake of his appearance, after recording his appearance and press for some time. Stop. Thereafter this parking will come. Also present. Stop. That is in 13. So he's praying for some time. And then there is already a settlement between the party, only the payment, the question of payment. And then regarding the check bounce, you have already taken step that that action will go separately and before the, of course, before the JMFC, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Sorry, civil judge. First JMFC or civil judge, okay, come civil judge. So what about this? Then they have filed this IA. What is this IA? To bring on record only?
Yes,
We have to
bring
take-
on record
Okay.
all the check bonds, remaining check bonds.
Okay. Okay. After his, no, so Mr. Also had Mr. Parking Richard, direct counsel for the respondent. Which one is filed today? 15th. By which order it was to, you were directed to bring on record
14/12/2023
in
in the IA,
IA, which one?
in the main revision petition.
In a main.
This one.
So many IAs again. So this is what you have said here in this IA.
IA 6, it brings on record the first two check, which were bonds on 2023.
No, by this. So this, I think the order already passed in IA 6 earlier. Is about that.
My Lord, in IA 9, we have issued a notice as per this
IA.
Honorable Court direction.
IA
In IA 9.
9 is
IA 9 is filed to bring on record the two check which were bonds on 31st, 1 to 24 and 21 to 24. IA 9. So this Honorable Court have instructed me to issue notice to the registered post. Before IA 6 is disposed, we have filed another IA. Since other two were also
IA after IA, because of default on your part, you have to give a proper instruction to your client, creating confusion. A lot of IA filed in one case. Okay, to complete that order, let us pass first this order in 15, IA 15. Mr.
And my Lord,
Parking Richard.
if I may make a brief submission.
Yes.
In this main revision petition, in the motion, the issue of non-bailable arrest warrant is only suspended, but the stay of the criminal proceeding, it was supposed to be taken up on the next day, but it was never taken up. So technically, the stay of the criminal proceeding is not passed. The order is not passed.
So then if order, no order passed, then it will proceed only.
So your lordship may be pleased to reflect in the order that since the
If
stay
there
is not passed.
If there is no any stay order, automatically there is the proceeding has the case there has to proceed.
Yes, but it is deemed to be stayed because the
No, how without passing any order? If
Because
you
in
are
order,
supposed to
it is
pass order,
reflected-
specific order only.
because
Unless there is any order, there is no stay, then there is no stay, and then the court has no one prevent the court to proceed with the case.
yes, issue here is that the date of motion is 23/1/2023,
Date
and the
of-
next date was 10 March 2023.
Hmm.
So on the order of the 10 March 2023, it was reflected the interim order passed earlier shall continue, which was meant to be of the suspension of the non-bailable arrest warrant, not the stay of the criminal complaint.
You have to clarify this before the trial court only.
Okay, my lord.
How the court will clarify that we have not passed any order if there is no order. Okay. I can reach out. So these two check was issued when it was issued. This was in person to the any order passed by this court. These two check.
Yes, my lord. 12/12/2023.
Two or one check? You could see only one check. You have a next for 11 lakhs. One or two bring into notice.
Check.
One check.
No, we have filed IA, 3 IA to bring all the 5 check which were dishonored.
No. So this IA, this new IA 15.
I knew IA is the last check, which was bounced on 3/4 April.
Where is the order passed reflecting the check which was produced by you before this court? In which IA it was passed?
In the main
Earlier.
in the main
About reflecting the 4 IA check which was bounced, huh?
First IA 6.
IA 6.
IA 6 is the first IA. For the first and second check were bounced.
So this is in continuation of that IA 6.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. The Learned Counsel for the applicant submits that this is in continuation of the earlier IA. Continuation of the IA criminal 6 of 2024. In 6, how many check bounce was brought?
2. On page 10, next to 2 and 3.
Okay. So this check was when this check was presented?
On the same date. No.
On the same date.
On 2012/2023.
It was this when it was dishonored.
On 2012/2023.
Same, I think same. The
Yes,
other
sir.
one also same. Then why you are bringing one by one only, not bringing it in at the same time?
The Lord Dishonorable Court have directed me to file the IA if the check were
That is
dishonored.
why you could have brought all this check into one IA only. Why you are bringing one by one?
Since there's a month's gap.
Okay.
The check were supposed to be drawn.
And you said that
After
it
a
was
period of
presented,
20 days, within a period
presented
of-
on the same day. You said that presented on the same day if there was a gap. Because the post-dated check is to be post-dated check cannot be together. And then you can't just submit the check, present the check before it is due.
No, Your Honor, as per the date given on the check, we took it to the bank.
That is why I'm saying.
So 5 check is given 5 different dates. After a period of 20 days,
Okay.
check was supposed to be.
Okay. In continuation of the 6 and 9 also to 9.
Yes.
IA 6/2023, 24. 9/20/2024. For bringing on record. This is only one check.
IS6 two check.
No, this 15.
Only one check.
Okay.
The last check.
And then IA9 also two check.
Two check.
Okay. To bringing on record, for bringing on record, one check bearing number.
On page 10.
Page 10.
On page 10, my lord. Please.
Which one is the number? 98. 982996. Yes, 31300291. Dash 000219 dash 29. Dated 13/3/2024. Stop. Para. This IA has been filed in the backdrop of the observation made by this court made by this court, by an order on 14/12/2023, passed in Criminal Revision 3 within bracket K 2023. Which is quoted below, stop. Colon, this, stop. Then you will main case para 4. In the main case, there is a para 4 on order dated 14/12. I'll just read it. You just check, confirm it later. Para 4. The complainant who is present in person submitted that he has duly received the check today, and the authorized representative of the petitioner, Mr. Manish Chittoda, submitted that the said check would be duly honored, if so placed within a gap of 20 days each. Stop. Under such circumstances, not only the content of the joint affidavit, but also the statement so made by Mr. Manish Chittoda shall be construed to be an undertaking given before this court. Stop. Inverted comma close. Okay, issue notice. Returnable after 3 weeks.
Only the council can accept the notice.
Okay, 4 weeks.
Lordship,
Okay. Since Mr. Posega Fote accepted notice on behalf of the respondent, no formal notice need be issued. Stop. List this matter after 4 weeks.
4 weeks, Lordship.
So, my lord, since the issue is already settled, it may be given a shorter date.
Lordship,
It's only for payment, my lord.
yes, Lordship, Lordship, the petitioners are given the fort to make the payment, Lordship. At least 4 weeks.
In the meantime,
Lordship, in the
no
meantime, Lord.
prevents, nobody.
Lordship.
So in the meantime, you can always do, because
Yes, Lord.
so many things are coming up, and then you will face for each and every check you are going to face
Lordship.
under NIA Act also.
Yes, Lordship. Yes, Lord.
So anytime, nobody prevent you from paying.
Lordship, I'll do that, Lord.
Stop. And then in the main case, so list is prayed. List this matter after 4 weeks.
Are you obliged, Lordship?
Okay, President.
May I please, your lordship?
There are-
Lordship,
Yes,
lordship, if I may be allowed to mention item number 28, your lordship.
28.
Lordship, lordship, I'm preparing for respond number 5, lordship. If the matter can come up on 21, your lordship.
Okay. When?
21-5, your lordship.
You are for?
The respond number 5.
5. Okay, you are for.
Lordship, I'm for the petition, Lordship.
Okay, Miss. You are.
Ubang Nanlalongcha.
Supermat, huh?
No, Ubang Nanlalongcha. My name is not in the cost.
Not there. You are appearing on behalf of?
I Imti Longcha.
Okay, appearing on behalf of, and appear on behalf of MT Longchair staff, Mr.
I am Saloy.
Yes. Jamir, Land Council for the respondent number 5. When you said? Okay, Mr. Zumomi for respondent number? Respondent 1 to 3. For the state respondent. For the state. Okay, state respondent, huh, staff. And his name will be in the after Zumomi, huh, staff, huh? Now we'll fix 21.
21, your lordship.
We'll not fix date. We'll say date to be fixed by the registry only, lodge. Okay.
Lordship.
List is as prayed for by the Land Council for the party. List is matter after 2 weeks. As 2 weeks. Okay.
For motion, item number 38. May it please, your lordship.
Yes.
This is a criminal petition for quashing of an FIR. Now, lordship knows that
Yes.
the FIR is at phase 1.
Phase?
Annexure 1, page 19. I'm sorry.
Yes. What is the allegation?
Yes, lordship. If a lordship will come, it's basically a case under theft 379. Now I'm taking a lordship to page 21.
Okay. So will issue notice? So you
Yes.
said that it's yours.
Yes.
Okay, but then he says that he, according to you, he has made some false sale deed.
Yes, lordship.
Okay, on the basis of which he is claiming.
That document is already annexed here at page number
Trial is
37.
going on or what?
No, lordship, no trial.
Charge sheet file? No.
Charge sheet is not
yet
filed.
filed.
The difficulty that we are facing, that we have come for quashing. Otherwise, we have an interim protection. We have an absolute bail order. Anticipated bail order is
You are
there.
protected by the
Protected by bail
Okay,
order.
no problem.
The difficulty that we are facing today is, I am a person from Assam. Now, this case is now presently going in Mejjifema police station in the state of Nagaland. We are in fact facing life threats from the accused, from the informants. In fact, they had come down to Assam, had assaulted us. For that, we had also filed a complaint case in the Hojai court, that is in the Nagaon district.
There is a counter complaint then.
Yes, counter. Now, the difficulty that we are facing presently is, we otherwise, in this criminal case, in this FIR, we had to give our statement. When
you have not yet given,
I cannot give my statement.
161 statement also not yet given.
No, because first of all,
then how the investigation will proceed?
Yes, the difficulty is that I cannot come to the state of Nagaland because of the life threat that I am facing from the informers. This is a disturbed state, lordship knows that. I go to the police station, I give my statement. After coming out, if there is any issue with me, who is going to protect me? So therefore I have come for basically quashing, because this is a case fit enough for quashing. But my prayer today would be, if statement is to be recorded, it can be done by VC also. VC recording of statements is a known mode as on date. So if the police really wants to take my statement, once the 41A notice reaches me, it has not yet reached me till now, first of all. If it reaches
I
me,
think you have to obtain. We have to obtain. If there is a
I am ready to give my statement.
There
If
is
it can be given by
then
VC.
of course we have to allow only.
And
But
moreover,
it's just
I will
obtain
give my
instruction.
statement, but let it be on VC, that's all.
lordship, since there is a private respondent, so the complaint.
No, that is where.
No, for that, lordship will issue notice. I'm not on that.
No,
Now, lordship.
But on that
Understand.
aspect, I'm saying.
Understand.
Can clearly demonstrate that this is no case where a police investigation can go on.
A party can settle this matter because you know whether you have been paid. Of course, you have some document, but still then it appears that there is some understanding and then he was given probably.
Understand, first of all, the sale deed that he is annexing, the
In paper, of course, yours is clear,
yes.
but then
The
what is
understanding,
the fact? We do not know.
no, I have taken my instructions. The fact is nothing. It's a commercial arrangement. I am the owner of the dumper vehicle, but since I am from Nagaon and the vehicle is here, Nagaon in Assam, the vehicle is from in Dimapur registration. It is used for commercial activities in Dimapur. So he was sort of a person who was under a contract with me that you run the dumper and you pay me a monthly rental. Now he was not paying the monthly rental.
That is there.
Yes, so this is a dispute.
But
Nothing beyond
thereafter,
that.
what had happened and why he had kept the vehicle for himself, and then maybe of course, but then since it was under his possession only,
Yes.
so you have no right to take without permission, even if it is yours also.
No.
Absolutely yours also.
I have categorically stated in the bail application here also, the vehicle been mine. I had gone there and within his knowledge, I have taken back the possession of the vehicle. Now he out of grudge because I have taken it, have filed this case against me to implicate me in even a criminal proceeding. And the sale deed that he is exhibiting in the FIR is an unsigned sale deed.
Yes, yes.
In fact, that itself is a crime at his part. So based on that, now I am facing a criminal proceeding wherein I have to now come to Nagaland and face.
Right.
So this is a difficult practical problem, Lordship.
Heard Mr.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Sharma, Land Council for the petitioner staff. I have also heard Mr. Zimomi, Land PP, Nagaland staff, para. This is an application under section 482 of the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973 for quashing of the first information report dated 2/9/2023, being registered as Medjifema Police Station case number 18/2023 under section 379 of Indian Penal Code. Staff. Issue notice. Call for the will say scan CD.
Scan CD.
Scan CD. Staff. Since Mr. Jimomi accepted notice on behalf of the state respondent. No. No formal notice need be issued to the respondent number 1. Staff. The petitioner shall take steps upon the respondent number 2 by a registered post with AD within a week from today.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Start. List this matter after 4 weeks.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Okay, so we'll consider that after. Okay.
Today I was not expecting anything else but a notice itself.
Yes.
All right, Your Lordship.
For admission, item number 11.
LCR was called for.
Yes, Lord.
Yes.
You have updated LCR. It is
I haven't seen the LCR yet. It has been called through the registry, so
okay.
I'm yet to have a look at the LCR.
Lordship, in view of the submission made by the letter PV, that the charge sheet has been filed. This is court call for the lower court records.
Yes.
The object of is with me. That will be there in the record also.
The object of calling for the records is based on the submission made by the letter PV, Lordship.
Yes. Okay, so that means the case is before the court now.
Yes.
DPS.
If your lordship will see the charge sheet, the offense, the state offense is well established against the accused.
Lordship.
Well, let us see whether the charge frame not yet, because probably
Give that
Not yet,
record
Lordship.
will.
not yet. Let us see the last order.
No instruction from a client, Lordship. Because he is in just judicial custody.
23. 3/5/25. Just let us see the last order. The last order says that it seems that the IO is yet to submit the charge sheet in connection with the present case. That is 3/5/24. Just a minute. Not yet submit.
I have no idea, Lordship.
Lordship,
think,
maybe after the LCR has been called, the charge sheet has been.
Just see the last order. These other documents,
This was dated 3/5/2024.
and today
So
is
whether today is
No, Lordship.
9th, your Lordship.
Then,
Specific
Today is 9th.
Lordship, a specific submission was made on 2/5/2024.
No,
The charge sheet has already been submitted. That is the submission made by the learned baby, Lordship. Based on the submission, CD was called for. If that is the case, Lordship, the submission is wrong.
so that last order probably
Yes,
seems charge sheet not yet filed.
Your Lordship, one second, let me check.
If that is the last order.
Accused and public.
Wrong instruction or wrong submission, Lordship. Then.
This is what bail application.
Yes, Lordship.
So how long he has been inside?
Lordship, he is under custody for more than 69 days.
69 days. So the maximum punishment is
Otherwise,
Lordship,
your,
life imprisonment, Lordship.
for the offense
90 days.
90 days. Okay. So
your Lordship, but there is a prima facie case, your Lordship. If,
That
from
is
the
different issue.
from the
This is
perusal of the
yes,
CD
Lordship.
itself, your Lordship.
Right.
This
From
is
the
a bill
perusal of the CD
Lordship,
itself,
kindly
free petition,
allow
and this
me to make a
application can be
submission.
rejected, your Lordship.
Allow me to make a submission.
Yes, your
Lordship.
Lordship. And I may also be allowed to speak.
Yes, Lordship. There's no bar.
just a minute, yeah. Yes, what is your submission?
Yeah, Lordship, this is in bill application under 439 CRBC, Lordship. Now, as I've submitted, Lordship,
So according to you, that so long as the accused is inside the custody, it will not be possible for him to
Lordship.
deliver the
Consignment.
material, assignment.
and Lordship,
Okay, so you want that.
and unless
Hmm,
the complainant
hmm.
paid the full amount, it is not possible on my part to deliver the consignment, the equipment subcoming mission.
What is your instruction? Say, for example, if he is released, the consignment is will be delivered.
The Lordship, definitely,
That cannot be taken into.
101% Lordship.
Just I'm asking.
101% guarantee I can deliver.
Hmm.
That is my submission, Lordship. He cannot say no. She cannot say no.
Okay, just a minute. What is your submission, Mr.
Your Lordship, till today, they could not produce any document to show that they have placed a order from China, your Lordship.
Lordship, may kindly see the annexures.
Your Lordship. And simply they are saying that they will deliver it once the payment is done.
Lordship,
But if your Lordship will
the
see the
submission is
document,
contrary to records. Lordship, may kindly see my documents.
your Lordship, now CD will see.
Page 14.
Now you see, we have seen
Page 14.
that he has undertaken both
Lordship,
in
Lordship.
the agreement,
Lordship,
initial agreement.
Lordship.
He has undertaken, I don't know how much educated he is, but then he has undertaken to pay the entire amount before delivery. We
That
have
was the first agreement.
first agreement.
Yes. Then subsequently, there was an communication between the accused and the complainant, your Lordship.
Hmm.
Lordship will see at page 3, your Lordship, of the CD. If
Hmm.
your Lordship may kindly turn to page 3. Their company has been blacklisted, your Lordship.
Hmm?
Their company, Spark Entertainment has been blacklisted, your Lordship.
Which is,
Yes, your Lordship. Page
Wait.
3 of the CD, your Lordship.
which one, because so many documents, which one into this?
Page 3 of the scan copy, the first CD which I produced on the last occasion. Scan copy, page 3.
No.
Right.
No, not it.
It's already there in the.
No.
Yes. Page.
Page 3, dated 5/2/2024, your Lordship.
5.
5/2/2024, to 24.
Yes,
May I read, Your Lordship?
yes.
Not. It is clear from the beginning that the intentions of the above mentioned persons from the Sparch Entertainment Company based in Nagpur was to induce and cheat the complainant of his hard-earned money, which is proven beyond reasonable doubt by the fact that even after numerous promises given by them to the complainant, the equipments are yet to be delivered or received. It is also pertinent to point out that the Sparch Entertainment Company has been blacklisted on the internet by India Mark due to suspicious activities that have been carried
When it was blacklisted?
blacklisted has been blacklisted on the internet by India Mark, Your Lordship, due to suspicious activities that are being carried out in the company. It is also learned that complainant has personally visited the company at Nagpur and meet the two persons, namely Amul Ton, that is the present applicant, and Pratik Nikhadi, that is the co-accused. But when he sent a legal notice, Your Lordship, here it is important, legal notice was sent, it was written as unserved, but he was arrested at the given address, Your Lordship. So there is clearly something to be, yes.
See. So, you see, again, it was, the material was not yet delivered despite of so, whatever may be. But then the initial agreement was to deposit the entire amount. Entire amount admittedly has not been deposited.
Lordship, that is admitted, Your Lordship.
Now, so far as this, you see, and then it's blacklisted, and then this, you see, we do not know whether this is correct or not. But thereafter, the informant himself has visited the company. He has seen.
Visited the company and they have been
they were also found and arrested from the same place.
Same place, Your Lordship.
Same place. But then we do not know what the postman
Your Lordship
has done.
Your Lordship here, Lordship may presume that there is a cheating. Your Lordship will find the ingredients, Your Lordship. Legal notice was sent in the address to where he was arrested, but it was returned as unserved. Now, how would that be? With intention, he's avoiding to accept that legal notice. No, Your Lordship. And Your Lordship, another factor here. The statement,
one by one, please.
Yes. So, Your Lordship, another factor is that the admission of the petitioner that he has lied, Your Lordship, will see at page 10, Your Lordship. The statement of the accused, Your Lordship. That itself, Your Lordship.
What is he?
Page 10.
He is proprietor. Going to this.
He admitted that he lied.
Yes, he admitted that he deliberately has been making
so that
excuse.
Is sufficient. That is a sufficient ground to reject.
It appears that in his statement, just a minute, that because of owing to some technical and financial reasons, so he has been, of course.
I don't have that statement, Lordship. I don't have that.
He has clearly stated.
Statement before the police, Lordship.
Yes, this is relevant. 151 statement is relevant for consideration of bail.
This is 151 only.
Yes.
So for the time being, just a minute.
Yes, for consideration of bail, Your Lordship, this is relevant.
So how many of them are there?
2 of them.
The application is filed by only one person.
Yes, one person.
Okay, not for the other one. This is in respect of the main.
Yes,
the Amortong.
Yeah, Amortong.
So who has replied the informant in the through by WhatsApp also?
Yes, they have been communicating through WhatsApp, Your Lordship, and they also acknowledge the receipt of money, everything. So there is prima facie well established. Prima facie case is well established under section 450, Your Lordship.
So what I'll do is time is also, of course, now and after in the afternoon, I have been asked that to join my Lord Justice Sema to in the new court. So I'll pass order.
Yes, Your Lordship.
So the order will be.
Lordship, I'd like to place 2 judgment.
Yes.
No, the principle laid on by the apex court. How to consider the bill application?
Lordship, every bill has to be decided on the facts and circumstances.
So Lordship, can you go through? Since there's no time, I'm just trying
to give the mark, highlight the relevant portion.
My copy, Lordship.
Relevant, yes.
No,
give the copy and highlight the paragraph, the relevant paragraph.
Lordship, 2012. 2012, 1 ECC. I'll provide the paragraph also, Lordship. Paragraph 21. Okay.
Give that in the copy itself. Okay, can't carry the
I'll
book.
provide, Lordship.
Mm.
This one.
What
I'll
it
provide.
says, what it says.
That's the principle of bail, how the bail should be considered after, even after submission of charge sheet also. Principle has been laid down.
Here in the,
It's
in
not
the
yet
charge sheet not yet submitted.
Even after submission of charge sheet,
Hmm.
Lordship, bill,
Yeah.
bill is entitled because it's a question of liberty.
Only if he can establish,
If,
Your Lordship.
if the accused, alleged accused is kept under judicial custody
Hmm.
for the purpose of trial after,
Hmm.
even after submission of the charge sheet, Lordship,
Hmm.
that is in violation of Article 21 of the Constitution.
Hmm.
That is what the apex court says. And another judgment, Lordship, I'm referring to only two judgment. It's same offense, 409, 420, bill was granted. And any breach of agreement, the offense, the criminal offense should not be attracted, Lordship. That is also, I have one decision.
Okay, give the judgment.
Yes.
uh,
Your Lordship, I kindly appreciate the
Yes,
facts.
copy of the judgment and mark it, the relevant portion, relevant paragraph. Huh? Okay, and you have any other submission?
No, Your Lordship,
Okay.
since there is prima facie case against the accused.
Lordship.
Yes, yes, Your Lordship.
Worship, with
Yes.
the other case.
Yes,
since
other-
your relative is
other-
living,
Probably in the afternoon, we may not be able to.
yes,
So,
that is why,
Yes. Yes,
I beg to mention item number 25.
25.
Yes, Lord.
Okay,
I pray that it may come up after a week
you are for that?
for the petitioner, Lordship.
Okay, Miss
Wang Lordship.
Counsel for the petition. When do you want?
After a week, Lord.
Okay. And Mr. Yangarvati, Lana CGSC are present on the prayer of both the land council for the party. List this matter after a week. Okay.
most likely.
Yes, Lord.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes,
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 26.
26.
Yes,
When?
after 2 weeks, Your Lordship.
Okay, Miss,
Clear?
you are for
Respondent 1 and 2.
respondent number 1 and 2. Okay, this, her name, huh? You are Miss,
Clear, clear, for
okay,
the
land
appellant.
council for the petitioner, sorry, appellant,
Yes, Lord.
and Miss,
Ayala Imchin.
your name is there,
No, I'm appearing on behalf of Tongbok Pongana.
appearing on behalf, appear on behalf of Tongpo Pona, land council for the respondent. 1 and
2.
2, okay, stop, as prayed for by the land council for the party, list this matter after 2 weeks, okay. Yes,
Lordship, item 17, Your Lordship.
17.
Lordship, your service report is awaited for
Awaited,
statement
service
report.
report awaited. I think
Lordship.
order already passed, Ali. We have? No.
Lordship.
Okay.
Come up after 3 weeks, Your Lordship.
Mr. M. Jamil, huh?
Hence, Your Lordship.
Okay, M. Jamil, Land Council for the petitioner. The office not reflect that the notice upon this
Respondent
respondent
number 4, Your Lordship.
respondent 4 is still awaited in view of the above. List this matter after
3 weeks, Your Lordship.
3 weeks. Okay.
Lord, item 15, orders.
15, I think we have all, John, I think, yes, because here also it was awaited, report is still awaited, yes.
Lordship, for item number 12, Lordship, I just need a small order, Your Lordship. I just need a small order, Your Lordship, here. Lordship, in IA number this 93.
IA number
93.
93.
Lordship, this IA was disposed of for stay, Your Lordship. However, to that effect, this in MSC appeal, the company was supposed to deposit this 50%.
Yes.
So earlier, the company used to deposit through check. However, nowadays, the company says have deposited through this online transaction, Lordship. So
Okay, you already deposited.
already deposited, Lordship, and I've already inquired with the deputy registrar. So
Okay.
he has requested me to.
So whether and the order in the IA reflected that the respondent claimant can withdraw? No,
Not yet, Lordship.
Okay.
Yes.
The Mr.
My only
Mr.
prayer is that to
Vidavera,
kindly let the registry
Land
check.
Council for the, you are for appellant only?
Yes, Lordship.
Okay, and submits that the appellant is, already deposited 50%,
Yes, Lordship.
deposited the 50% of the awarded amount before the registry of this court.
And your ship to let the registry confirm whether this transaction has already been deposited in their account or not.
And the same has been confirmed by the registry.
To let them confirm.
Okay, okay.
Yes.
Okay, stop. Since the deposition was made by through
NEFT.
account transfer,
Yes. NEFT at the bottom.
any NEFT,
Yes.
the registry shall confirm the receipt of the said amount deposited by the appellant. Appellant. Oh, stop. Mhm. And then this is item
Item 12, Your Worship.
12.
Yes.
What was the stage here in the main case? It was for? You are for the respondents?
Yes.
Okay, what was the stage? Orders only?
Yes, Lordship.
Orders means?
Respondent number 4 still yet to appear, Lordship.
Okay, you are appearing for the first time you are appearing?
No, Lordship. They have already appeared for the claimant.
Okay, already
1, 2, and
appeared.
3.
Okay,
But
Mr.
But for respondent number 4, Lordship, in the main appeal.
You are for the claimant?
Yes, yes.
Okay, Mr. Your good name?
Mewepe. MEWEPE.
You are appearing for the first time. But
No,
okay,
Lordship.
okay, appear on behalf of the respondent
Number
claimant.
one.
Stop. So that order will be passed after confirmation
Yes, Lordship.
for withdrawal.
Yes,
Okay.
Lordship. Yes.
Okay, in age prayed for by the land council for the party, list is matter after 2 weeks.
Lordship, in this MSC appeal, main appeal, kindly allows to take a substitute notice upon the respondent number 4, who is the owner of the vehicle, Your Lordship.
Okay,
Yes.
the land council for the appellant also prays. Also, some is that he may be allowed to take fresh steps upon
Respondent number
the
4.
respondent number 4 by
Paper publication.
by a substitute notice by way of publishing in the
Assam. In Assam.
two dailies in
Yes, yes.
Assam.
Assam, Your Lordship.
In Assam.
Yes.
Okay, the prayer is allowed. The prayer is allowed. The step be taken within a week. Within 2 weeks.
2 weeks, Lordship.
2 weeks. And
3 weeks, Lordship. And
3 weeks and submit the and file affidavit to that effect.
yes. And this is made on 7th, Lordship. 7th of June.
7 already fixed.
No, Lordship.
Okay.
Means,
7 of June.
yes, Lordship.
Then I think you are asking for 3 weeks. After 3 weeks, then 7. Okay, list is prayed for by the Lana Council for the petitioner. List is made on 7 June.
Yes,
Okay.
Lordship. And Lordship,
Will it be in the Okay. Yes.
whether the LCR has arrived or not, Lordship? LCR.
LCR.
Yes. Or received.
LCR received.
Okay.
Okay, then it's okay.
That's all, Lordship. Last month.
Okay. So yes, we'll continue with that. Anything else? Any other item?
In item 13, 14.
14.
14
already, I think.
Item 37. My name may be directed to reflected in the cost list.
Okay.
Yes. Item
14
37.
earlier reported,
I9.
in the IA.
I9, I15.
IA 9 and 15.
Item 37.
Name of Mr. Pakin Richabo may be reflected in the cause list as the Lana Council for the
Applicant respondent.
respondent.
In the
Okay, in the IA. Okay. Yes. Okay. Then
item 1.
Item 1. Yes. Yes.
Yes, Your Lordship, I was second, the matter was fixed today for furnishing of status report.
Yes, what status?
Yes, status report, Your Lordship. What exactly has happened as on that, Your Lordship, after granting of the bail by this honorable court? Your Lordship, basically they have seeking modification of one condition, which has been laid down by this honorable court, that prior to leaving the jurisdiction of the Itanagar, prior permission from the concerned IO has to be taken by the concerned accused, Your Lordship.
What is the problem? Taking consent, is informing the IO while leaving the station. Only information is required.
Yes, Lordship, they already informed, but I have already submitted earlier. After every 7 days, they have to appear before the IO. and they have no place to stay here, Lordship. And moreover, Lordship, they have already paid some 10 lakhs, Lordship. And today there is seized money who has been deposited in the account of the accused. Today, the complainant have filed one Jimma, and today accused has been FIR, and they have he has no objection to release the seized amount. And tonight they are going to settle the matter amicably.
How much amount was deposited?
That I'm not aware that how much amount has been deposited, but this morning also complainant was also present before this court compounds, and they called me to settle the matter, and tonight they're going to settle the matter, Lordship.
Okay, let the matter be settled then.
Your Lordship,
Lordship only for some relief, Lordship, because every time they has to come before this Itanagar place, and they have no place to stay here, Lordship. It is very expensive and Lordship, time taking, Lordship. Only some relief, Lordship.
So there was no expensive when you came to Itanagar first to, you see, extract money from these.
Your Lordship, the only limited consideration which they are seeking is the modification. Now, Your Lordship, I would like to, Your Lordship, Your Lordship, I have furnished the judgment of the Honorable Gauhati High Court itself, Your Lordship, wherein the, Your Lordship, the ratio for modification of the condition has been laid down, Your Lordship, that in the circumstances when the condition is of harsh one, where, Your Lordship, the condition itself will be amounting to rejection of the bail despite granting of the same. In such situation, Your Lordship, accused can pray for, Your Lordship, modification of the ground, Your Lordship, modification of the condition.
You see, there is already a condition that the accused person shall make themselves available.
Yes, Lord.
For further investigation. You see, the police can always, or at any time they can call, and on refusal, they can always arrest.
Yes, absolutely, Your Lordship. And second condition is, Your Lordship, since they are from outside Arunachal Pradesh, Your Lordship, they are from Assam. So
then there is also, you see, I have also made clear in the order that they shall also furnish the permanent address as well as the contact number.
Yes, Your Lord.
Enough for these the police to contact them.
Your Lordship, Your Lordship, this condition has been laid down by this honorable court only.
They already submitted.
This condition has not been laid down by us. It is by this honorable court.
Yes.
I am, Your Lordship, in the humble, with all due respect, Your Lordship, what my humble submission is, Your Lordship, there is no any irregularity in the condition, and this condition itself is not a harsh condition, Your Lord.
Yes, that is
This
true.
condition only says
I understand. You are also correct. But then here is the case where the Learned Counsel for the petitioner submits that the IO probably is taking advantage of these.
Your Lordship, for that they have a remedy, Your Lordship.
Something more than what we have directed.
Yes, Lord.
Your Lordship, for that they have a remedy. Your Lordship is well aware of the Sakri Basu case. Your Lordship, this is a case confined to modification of an order on a ground that the investigation officer is harassing the accused. This is this allegation, Your Lordship. They have to substantiate with the material. And secondly, if investigation has not been properly carried out, Your Lordship, they can always invoke the provision under section 156(3), the supervision from the magistrate, as well as under section 154 subsection 3 and 4, to approach the higher authority, Your Lordship, that the concerned investigation officer is not carrying out the investigation properly. Now here, Your Lordship, whatever the condition imposed by this honorable court is not a harsh condition. They have to satisfy this court that this condition is a harsh condition and is amounting to, Your Lordship, rejection of the bail, Your Lordship. This condition only says that prior to leaving the jurisdiction, the IO, concerned IO should be informed, Your Lordship. This is not an harsh condition.
Have mercy on them. Just a minute. Okay. Okay. Yes. Please. Okay. Miss Y. Pango, Learned Counsel for the applicant. I have also heard Mr. Learned additional PP staff. Para. This is an application for praying for alteration and modification. Sorry, for the relaxation, alteration, stroke modification of terms and condition number 3 of the bail order dated 8/4/2024, passed in BA 2024, huh? BA 2024. It's a BA 2024 only.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Stop, huh? Para. The Learned Counsel for the petitioner submits that after release of the accused, how many times the accused appeared before the police till now after his release?
Twice, Your Lordship.
Twice, Lordship.
Twice, okay.
Your Lordship, Your Lordship.
And today also they will.
Your Lordship,
maybe today or the day after tomorrow.
Your Lordship,
they
status
will go.
report is before Your Lordship. Your Lordship may kindly
Yes.
peruse status report, Your Lordship.
Yes.
It's in para 9 onward, Your Lordship. Everything will be clear, Your Lordship. What exactly has happened? And Your Lordship, one of the accused bail is still pending before this honorable court, which is listed on 14th, Your Lordship. Who is the bailer of one of the accused, Your Lordship?
He is still inside the custody.
No, Your Lordship. He's the bailer who is anticipatory interim has been granted to the accused, Your Lordship. Even against that accused, Your Lordship, there is an allegation, there is a comment that he is not cooperating with the investigation, Your Lordship. He's a bailer as well as the co-accused in this case, Your Lordship. Which is reflected in the comment, Your Lordship may find in the comment in page number.
Also, that
three,
is
Your
a
Lordship.
different thing. If they are not cooperating, then that maybe can. That's a different thing also.
The accused, being the resident of Assam, wanted to leave his hometown. However, the IO of the case allow him only for 7 days. In terms of the condition number 3 of the said bail application. And now every day, the IO of the case keep calling him calling him telephonically to report at PS at Chimpu and strictly instructed them not to leave Papumpare district staff. It is further submitted that since there is already a condition that the accused shall make themselves available. There is already a condition number 1 which says that the accused person shall make themselves available for further investigation before the IO as and when required. The condition number 3 may not be required as the condition number 3 may not be required as he is the permanent resident of Assam and cooperating with the IO of the case. Mustafa, Learned PP, Mr. Ether, raise objection stating that the accused is not cooperating with the investigation of the case. Mustafa, Learned Counsel for the parties. Also,
Your Lordship, one more submission, Your Lordship. One more submission, Your Lordship. In condition 4, Your Lordship, the accused was directed to provide the contact number and the address, present and permanent address, Your Lordship. But as Your Lordship may find in the status report, point number 12, Your Lordship, that may be recorded, Your Lordship. They have provided false address, Your Lordship.
Okay. Cooperating with the eye of the case, and even they have
Lordship, that's wrong because everything provided before the CGM also and the police also, same thing. Aadhaar card.
Why the accused has given false address?
Lordship, that is wrong, not false address. Before the CGM also and the same address before the IO also. That cannot be false address, Lordship.
Okay, stop, huh? Okay.
With Aadhaar card, Lordship.
The parties, huh? And also peruse the status report produced, status report produced by Mr. Ether. Stop, huh? Where, huh?
If address is wrong, how can they contact?
Upon consideration, I'm of the opinion that since there is already a condition that the accused shall make themselves available for further investigation before the IO of the case, as and when required, the IO has liberty to call summon the accused as and when required. And since and also as the accused is permanent resident of Assam, I'm of the opinion that the above condition can be altered as prayed. Stop. Huh? And above condition can be modified. Above condition can be, above condition number 3 can be relaxed. Stop. Accordingly, the condition number 3, that they shall not leave the jurisdiction of Papumpare district without the previous permission of the IO of the case, stands modified. So tell the IO that, this because he can call anytime. So
Yes,
this clarify. Okay, stand modified.
Yes, Lord. He is
Okay.
called every time.
With the above this, I stands disposed of. Okay.
Much obliged, Lordship.
Okay.